So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Kohler Cimarron toilet. This is straight out of Home Depot. We got 2 of them. So this is the first bathroom, the hall bath with the tub shower combo. First thing we did, we pulled out the old toilet and got some new brass bolts in. We put 2 wax rings in. Both are Everbuilt. So this is just the single wax ring that most plumbers use. And then of course, we like to use the other one that's got the horn on it. Helps divert the water down to the toilet. So 2 wax rings down in there, seats real good. Additionally, we like to replace the supply line. You know, it's hard to justify not spending another $8 on a supply line, and you reuse the old one. When you come back, you know, a month later, the homeowner's got a flooded bathroom because that old one failed. So we replaced those. The shutoff valve's in good shape. We checked it. Everything's good. No dripping there. It's a multi-turn valve. Which is a compression valve, copper stubbed out of the wall. So that's not our valve, but we did check it. You know, we just do a little 1-finger check, and you look, if there's even a glisten of water down there, that's the beginning of something. So let us know and come out and take care of that, up to and including, you know, changing that out. So brand new 3/8 by 7/8 by 20 brass craft connector up to the toilet. Everything's been adjusted, so the water is filling correctly, shutting down correctly, the toilet is flushing correctly. We're going to go ahead and get a little bit of caulking around here, and outside of that, this first bathroom installation is done. So here in Fresno, California, we got the second toilet set. Of course, this is in the master bath area, so you got the big tub and the built-in shower and toilet room. Anyway, so same thing, Kohler Cimarron. And this one had a little bit of corrosion around the bolts, which was fine. The soil pipe was penetrating through the flange, and they chipped some of it off, but it was the wax wasn't seated completely. So anyways, we got that addressed. Not the flange itself. We got the single wax on the bottom, and then another one on top. And then of course, new brass bolts, 3.5 inch long. We did the same thing in here. We replaced the supply line, and that's brass craft. And it looks like your packing nut is good, not leaking. So it's a 3/8 by 7/8 by 20 inch brass craft stainless steel supply. And so anyways, Kohler Cimarron, both set. Both of these set real nice to the floor, so no movement whatsoever. This one was a little tight to the wall. The rough end was about 11. So the tank's right against the, you know, the wall, which is fine, no big deal. It's not going to hurt anything. So we've adjusted the filler so it's filling correctly, shutting down correctly, flushing correctly. We got this caulked in now, the other one caulked in, so that's good. Bolt caps are on, everything's secure. So everything looks good on this project. Outside of that, these installations are done.